Listen, this one's brought to you by auctionofchampions.com. And Braves fans, don't watch. Just don't even watch because you already got 9 runs at this point. Maybe I'll do a breakdown of other stuff that happened in the first inning. But this is the saddest play in this postseason by far. The second out gets made here. Okay, nice running grab. Braves fans are fired up. Yeah, maybe we'll get him out. Okay, Wong moves to third. 1 out away from ending this fucking nightmare. There's strike 1. Congratulations. Doesn't chase the outside. Then you're going to put one in his wheelhouse and he ropes it foul. Scary, but you'll take it. A strike comes, or you get a strike. Fastball, fouls it back. Now you're going to drop the curve on him. Nasty combo. He swings. The ball gets away from McCann. The runner scores, and then can they get him at first? No. And it's the saddest play of this postseason. And it's just terribly sad. Look at the batter. Look at Ozuna. He takes 1, 2. He takes 2 steps away, and he's still going to be safe at first. You can see Yachty get excited. Oh, run to first. You can see Colton Wong tell him, go, go, go. He runs. McCann gets to the ball. Look how much room there is. Look, he's like, okay, we're going to get out of this still. He slips. McCann's on the ground. Has to try and put some energy into the throw. It's the saddest. It's so sad. Look at this. And I like McCann and I like the Braves, but that's sad. It's really sad. Bench mob loves it. They're like, can we cheer for that one? I don't know if we can cheer for that one. Strikeout. McCann's not too happy about it. Whew, sad play. Thousands of awesome memorabilia items to check out every week, and every single item always is authenticated and guaranteed, like the guaranteed sadness of this play by McCann. Go to auctionofchampions.com. Select Jomboy when you register for a free account. $20 off your first purchase. Braves fans, maybe you just go there and you get some memorabilia of better times. And this isn't it. This isn't one of those times. Try to block this out of your brain.